Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a professional CV layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the professional CV layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean and modern. It has a nice color palette to it, and it has a lot of pages that you can really make use of, such as the experience, portfolio, and project page. So let's take a quick look. This is the experience page, for instance, and you can customize everything to your own needs. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you will find all of the layout packs, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the professional CV layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo to view all of the different pages that are included within this layout pack. So once you're there, you can start browsing through the different layouts and decide if you want to use them on your WordPress website without actually having to install them first. And say, for instance, you want to use this homepage, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. And this will redirect you to the visual builder right away, and over here you have 3 options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout or clone an existing page. And we're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple button. And over here you have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the professional CV layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available again, and you can choose your layout and then simply click on the green button which says use this layout, and then it will ask you for an authentication and it will upload to your page. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And now you can start modifying everything, personalize, customize everything to make it ready to go live. So for instance, you can play around with all of the modules that are included. You can change all of the written content that's included, or you can use Divi's efficiency features to make changes throughout the entire page in just a few clicks. And I'm just going to demonstrate that really quick. So say, for instance, you want to change the color palette and you don't want to make changes to each and every design element manually. You can simply use the find and replace options. So I'm just going to demonstrate that really quick. I'm going to open this section over here and go to the background settings. And over here we have this gradient color, and this is being used throughout the entire page. So I'm just going to right click on it and click on find and replace, and I'm going to modify this color. And I'm also going to tick off the box which says replace all found values within every option type not limited to column 1 gradient start. And this will make sure that all of the colors that carry this color code are changed into this new color in just a few clicks. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire page, and you can do that for any kind of design option that you have and customize everything to make it ready to go live. So go ahead and play around with all of these built-in options and create stunning web design using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.